transition for Lasal.
Uh-oh! Buti na lang, hindi tumama. Grabe to siya, no? Austria really not...
Happened in the first half. Let us talk about the statistics. What went where?
Tremendous in the first half, led by Aaron Fuller with 21 points, 6 rebounds. China's 11 steals in the first half. Imagine that. So ang daming agaw po, points off turnover with a huge margin.
Yes, that's 16 turnovers. That's huge for the DLSU. Speaking of that,
Pumapasok, but you can see he is really trying. But now, pumapasok na.
yes, that is your California. Agusan.
Agusan.
Yun pala. Yan, shoutout yun niya, mga taga Agusan.
Yes, kila pare.
He's adding his statistics in points. Abadam, binigay dito kay Michael Phillips. Good defense by Datu. But there's a foul and I think Eman, no? Shoutout to you dyan. At isa din yan sa mga kaibigan natin, ang mga sana pagbigyan tayo ni Eman next time. Madam, it was almost a slam. Here comes basket count. Not this time. A transition for Lasal.
Uh-oh! Buti na lang, hindi tumama. Grabe to siya, no? Austria really not backing down.
Boris Marasigan, jumper.
Boris Marasigan.
Nilabas na si CJ, no?
Another steal. Yun, Matt Rubico misses that shot.
Dalawang isip siya, and that's si Big Bo sa baba.
Dumor.
Oh!
Good shot. Another turnover? No. Bo Belga will stop that momentum. Now, LaSalle still has it, coach.
Correct. I think we mentioned this in the first half, no? Ano pa pwede gagawin ng De La Salle? Make Big Bo a scorer. I mean, let him take him the outside.
Yeah.
Challenge him to take that outside shot.
Wow. 8 straight points for DLSU. 2 3-point shot. Dungo and Kiambao.
Oh,
easy shot. And now here comes the handoff. Boris Marasigan. Phillips almost. Ang dami pa lang mga fans dito na talagang just watch basketball. Have this guy, he knows how to hype their fans para to cheer them up.
Yeah. Kita mo nun, binibigyan niya lahat eh. Kahit nasa bench sa teammates na. Yeah, you're down, but still, hindi pa tapos yung laban, hindi pa tapos yung laro.
Yes, Gian Mamuyak attacking. Yun. He attacks, Kit Datu. Here comes Kevin Kiambao. Assist, he's grown a lot in terms of basketball. Rubico. There you go. And back to the game.
Nagsisimulang mag-ingay yung mga tao dito.
Shouting defense. Swinging at the side.
And that's the strength of Big Bo.
Rubico once again. Oh! But there's a foul. Sabi ko sa'yo Kuya John Nard yan
Oh, kumagat
Yes.
Try to challenge him to shoot laking high percentage kasi yun
Yeah.
And that's his game.
And he's a one-hander shooter, remember?
Yeah. Yes,
Even in his free throws,
true.
right?
Oh.
Boris Marasigan. Yes, sir. Lasal.
Oh.
Steal by Dungo.
Lilipad to. Uy!
And there's a foul on that transition. Good foul though. As an elasto painters. There you go. Kuya Jonard, muscling up. Sabi ko na sa'yo, coach
Minama na naman.
Mama, maglaro yan si Kuya Jonard.
Ayaw lagi.
Adol. Lamat sa yung pagtanaw. Now, CJ Goliena this time. EJ Goliena rather. Grabe, Husay.
He has been silent in this game. Also, coach, shout out to MJE family. Of course, You have Boss Roy, Villaflor, Madam Ching, Mamu, all the way. So
Have that momentum here. And they want to keep that burn fire. I mean, open look. Not this time. Ramiro. They gave it to Mason Amos. A shooter.
yes, sir.
Not this
Oh,
time.
that's a sorry miss from Mason Amos. They needed that 3.
Yeah, here we go. Escandor. They gave it there to Bo. Anton Asisio is being hassled by Ramiro. Grabe, kinatawan. And you see that
Very smart play.
that look.
Galing.
Stare down. Cortez.
Raven Cortez.
Yeah, ngayon may pangalan na, Cortez R. Kasi meron na ding Cortez in the next season, which is Jacob Cortez. Which is
And I'm sure maraming lessons na babaonin nila papunta sa UAAP season.
Yep, that's right. Gabe Norwood tries the 3, not this time. No. Here comes Ramiro. Ramiro is still, finding ways to create for his teammate. Another zoom play. Ramiro on the corner fires. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Pasok. And there comes Gabe Norwood drives to Keith Tatu. Wow. Rock solid.
That's right.
Mason Amos still silent. No, haven't taken any shots in the fourth quarter. Correct, the third quarter rather. Deadly shooter as well. Ramiro wants to use a series of screens.
Ganda.
Raven Cortez from
Asisio. Tatu.
100 shot.
He was not ready during that time ng event natin sa Kadayawan.
Yeah, I'm sure isang instruction ni Coach Topex dito. Just cut down the lead. Dahan-dahan ninyo.
Yeah.
Grabe. Paso hasta a couple of games. But now, yun na naman, oh.
Yeah, that could be
Yes.
sport.
Yes.
But I love the effort of Mike. I hope he's okay. He is complaining about his hurt, spraining earlier.
Right.
Right? Couple of years. So Mason Amos this time, not quite, but
Good putback from Raven Cortez.
Raven.
Trying to settle things down for Rain or Shine.
Sumundot, patay. Dito yun yung mga from University of South Carolina, yung school ni Bronny. There you go, misses that shot. Another putback by Austria this time. They gave it to Boris Marasigan. He fakes the handoff attack.
Boris Marasigan.
Fuller there. Kuya Johnard.
Wow.
They kick it out. Very smart. Very unselfish. He's really a good leader.
Yes.
Dyan yan. Abang na dyan yung rain or shine.
Kailangan mo talaga sa isang team na ganun, coach.
Definitely. Buenaventura. They dump it inside to Mason Amos. Pasok.
Late yung defensive rotation
The
na.
other side. Ayan naman. Karakot na naman. Pasok. Yung Mintis pala. Correction. Invitational basketball tournament. So, I'm pretty sure both teams here.
Good pass there.
Here comes Fuller this time.
Ganda. Great finish from Aaron Fuller using the left hand there.
Yes, JC Makalalag. And Gambao on the corner for 3. Gabe Norwood. Andre Karakot. Fuller once again.
Grabe, muscling his way in. Wow.
Gambao once again. Don't want to give up. A good steal by Abadam. Ramiro. Yung mga ganun. It could be better if he returned back the ball on transition. And they gave it to Abadam. Abadam spins. Wow! Grabe. No? Here comes Fuller. Ang bilis ng bawin.
Trusted players in the court, you know?
Yep.
Then pa rin si KQ, si Mike Phillips is still there. Badam is still there.
Here we go. Fuller again.
Namit?
Lang.
Oo.
Kung may binili man kayo dyan, hindi galing sa government yan. And now, here we go. Last 2 minutes. Almost, but not quite. KQ. They gave it to Ramiro. Step back. Jumper. Pasok.
Pa rin.
Seconds on the shot clock. They're really utilizing it until it winds down. Nokum. They have 2 seconds. Mamuyak, 3.
Wala pa rin. Also to my cousin, si Dondon, Lisel, and Jella is watching now.
Yes, that's right. So,
Ayong gabi.
and to have fun watching these players play their game of basketball, the brand of basketball that we have in UAP or in PBA.
Shine on top by 20 here in our championship game against De La Salle University.
Yep, that's right. Now 42 seconds remaining. It looks like it's a crystal clear already. As the rain or shine, Elasto Painters. Really, no? Did. Abangan na natin yan. It's good to see. Surprisingly, no, na here this time it's free admission. Dati we only get college teams.
Good game.
Yep.
And congratulations to Rain or Shine. Excellent basketball pinakita ninyo.
Yes,
Congratulations.
definitely. What a game. Rock solid performance for both teams. We'll be having our awarding ceremony after this. So, it's 116-138. Congratulations to our PBA pros. The Rain or Shine Elasto Painters.